The construction industry is changing rapidly. Construction technologies and techniques are incredible lately. It is no longer just pouring concrete, it is about moving forward with smart and innovative techniques. In this video, we will examine the modern techniques used in construction. Aerium is a mineral-based insulation foam developed by Holcim. It is poured in liquid form and fills every gap. It hardens quickly and provides long-lasting insulation. It is fire-resistant, does not form mold, and is 100% recyclable. Structured Build and Lift Systems assembles the roof on the ground and lifts it up with hydraulic systems. No scaffolding, no risk of working at height. Both the roof and the structural frame are completed in a very short time. A fast, safe, and smart solution. StackBox is a fast and safe solution for leaving space in reinforced concrete and wall structures. It can create reservations in 36 different sizes with its modular structure. It saves time and labor. This structure is built with hemp-based blocks developed by Just Biofiber, a carbon-negative, fire-resistant, mold and pest-free, non-toxic and earthquake-resistant home. A healthy and durable living space in harmony with nature. BlueMax is a revolutionary liquid rubber coating in waterproofing. It is easily applied on concrete, wood, metal, and more. It does not crack or peel with its 1200% elasticity. It is resistant to water, mold, and UV rays. It can be applied by brush, roller, or spray. This assembly adhesive is generally used in construction and home renovation works. It creates a strong and durable bond on surfaces such as wood, metal, concrete, ceramic. It also becomes power-carrying in 30 minutes. It works even on damp surfaces, does not contain solvents, and is odorless. Hydrotex fabric concrete mattresses offer a permanent erosion control solution. These mattresses are placed in areas exposed to erosion and used to pour concrete. When the concrete dries, it forms a tough and flexible armor that is resistant to erosion. A technique from thousands of years ago meets today's sustainable architecture. Rammed earth is created by compressing soil layer by layer between molds. As solid as concrete, breathable, and environmentally friendly, with a near-zero carbon footprint. Natural appearance, natural performance. Synthetic anhydride screed is basically a mixture of anhydride binder, fillers, and various additives. This mixture is mixed with water to obtain a homogeneous consistency. It is then poured onto the floor and leveled. This screed is ideal for obtaining a smooth, durable, and aesthetic floor surface. Forget about concrete, mortar, water. With System 3E, houses are built just like Lego, just by the click-click method. Perlite-based modules offer insulation and durability together. Walls rise in a day and with 100% recyclable materials. This could be the new name for fast, environmentally friendly and smart construction. Partner Robotics works like a master in the field. Without stopping, without making mistakes. The P900 model aligns large-size ceramic tiles with laser and lays them with millimeter precision. Hundreds of tiles are completed daily without human intervention. This is not just a robot. In this method, it uses specially designed plastic molds to create reinforced concrete walls and foundations. It is much faster than traditional construction methods. A house can be built in just 7 days. Since it is a reinforced concrete structure, it is quite strong and durable. Barkclad's natural poplar bark veneer stands out with its nature-inspired aesthetic. Each bark is hand-peeled, oven-dried, and then custom-cut. This process makes each panel unique and durable. It gains character over time through the natural aging process. Walls are not only carriers, they are also heaters and coolers. Blanky Permatop Wall provides the ideal temperature regardless of the season with water-based pipes integrated into your walls. This system, which works with a low temperature difference, increases comfort with radiant heat distribution. The ThermaBead system uses special polystyrene beads to microseal gaps in home walls. These beads are injected with a resin-based emulsion and fixed within the wall. The result? A long-lasting, environmentally friendly insulation solution that stops energy loss. Adding a balcony to a building's facade no longer takes hours, but minutes. Sapphire's clip-on system prefabricates 350-kilogram aluminum balconies. They are then lifted by crane and fitted directly onto the facade's custom rail system. Pink NextGen fiberglass offers a new generation of comfort and speed in insulation. 23% faster installation, soft texture, and low dust. Fire-resistant, mold-resistant, and breathable. Energy-saving and silence together. Speed and precision in raised floor systems. Titan Floors aluminum panels can be raised up to 2.5 meters with steel feet and beams. Thus, it provides ample space for infrastructure cables. Ideal for clean rooms and data centers with its anti-static feature. Fast installation, high durability. This is a high-tech fiberglass reinforcement developed to prevent asphalt from cracking. This network placed between asphalt layers balances the stresses and makes the road surface long-lasting. It both reduces costs and is environmentally friendly. It is indispensable for modern roads. Mechanical concrete is a geocellular aggregate technology developed by Sam Bonasso. Used tires can both benefit the environment and give concrete some new properties. Tires hold and limit the concrete to a certain extent. Therefore, this limitation significantly increases the load-bearing capacity of the stone. It is constructed quickly with 3 times more load-bearing capacity. It also reduces the carbon footprint. The monopore system is a system that allows large volumes of concrete to be poured at once. FastFoot is a system used to create concrete feet made of polyethylene fabric. When these two systems are used together, they save both time and money. In this way, they offer many advantages over traditional wooden molds. It is frequently preferred in construction projects due to its fast installation, durability, and versatile use. This closed cell exterior spray foam insulation system is applied by spraying a 2-component liquid under high pressure. Foam does not allow water vapor and prevents moisture problems on the roof. In this way, mold and moisture formation under the roof is prevented. It can adapt to any shape of the roof and fills the cracks and provides airtightness. Using special equipment, polyurethane foam is sprayed evenly all over the roof. Hadrian 10 is the first mobile automatic bricklaying robot developed by FastBrick Robotics. The robot is programmed with computerized design data. It places bricks precisely according to this data. It has the capacity to build walls quickly, accurately, and safely.